Black men, black men, did you think we were going to let this ride and not congratulate, appreciate you, and acknowledge you? Oh, no, 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 no. I know my channel is predominantly for women. Yes, I do talk to the women 40 and over. We talk about all the things beauty and aging graceful. But we're going to pause that for a minute because we definitely have a space here on my channel where we can definitely celebrate black men. I can only speak for me at this point, but I think I can safely speak for the masses. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. You understood the assignment. You don't have a problem with a woman. You don't. There's a small group. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. And we know who those are. We know who those are. They're very vocal, and that's fine. That's fine. However, I want to say I appreciate you. I thank you. We see you, and your daughters see you, your nieces see you, your mother see you, your wives see you, your girlfriends, your significant others. Everyone sees you. Okay? We see you. I just want to say I thank you. I truly, truly thank you because it made me feel good, and it also made me feel that I know that I can count on a black man when needed. And when it was time, it showed. It definitely showed. And I did a couple of videos prior to this one, and a lot of women was just shouting out in the comments, the black men, the black men, the black men. And I'm like, yes, yes, absolutely. It's coming. It's coming. But I felt like us as women, we kind of take on a lot, so I wanted to definitely shine a light on you fellas and say thank you. And this will always be a staple. I know so many things are in history, but this right here, this was a big one. This was a big one, and I just want to say I thank you. I appreciate you. You are not going unnoticed, unseen, unheard, and we remain. We here for you. We are here for you. So leave it in the comments. Let us know. All your thoughts and opinions and things like that. And if you want to share, let us know. Why you was with us and everything like that. I want to know because a lot of women, they know how you feel, but sometimes you don't speak it. But it's good to have a dialogue about it because conversation and communication is key. So let's talk about it. Let's have a conversation. I just want to say I thank you again, and I'm appreciative. I'm appreciative for you, and yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.